Trust is the invisible glue that binds two hearts together, a crucial foundation for any healthy relationship. Without it, love crumbles under the weight of suspicion, insecurity, and doubt. But when trust is present, it allows love to blossom, creating a deep, unshakable bond. In this video, we'll dive deep into the importance of trust, the causes of mistrust, and most importantly, how to rebuild and strengthen trust. If you're here to make your relationship better and more fulfilling, stick around, and don't forget to subscribe for more relationship wisdom. A healthy relationship is built on a solid foundation of trust. Trust means feeling confident that your partner has your best interests at heart, whether they're right beside you or miles away. It's knowing that your partner will stand by you, support your growth, and be honest with you. Research by the Pew Research Center found that 85% of people say trust is the most crucial element in a successful relationship. When trust is present, couples are better at resolving conflicts, more resilient in the face of adversity, and more affectionate. According to the American Psychological Association, couples who trust each other are 60% happier in their relationships than those who struggle with mistrust. Loving this content so far? Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on relationship tips that can transform your life. While trust is a relationship's bedrock, it can be easily eroded. Mistrust doesn't always stem from betrayal. Sometimes it's a result of smaller, less obvious actions that build over time. Here are the common causes of mistrust. 1. Lack of communication. Poor communication is one of the top causes of mistrust in relationships. When partners don't talk openly about their feelings, assumptions begin to form, leading to misunderstandings. Over time, these small gaps in communication can spiral into serious mistrust. 2. Past experiences. Often mistrust comes not from the current relationship but from past ones. If someone has been betrayed before, they may carry those emotional scars into their new relationship. According to Psychology Today, 42% of people report that past betrayals influence their ability to trust future partners. 3. Broken promises. Trust can be shattered by broken promises. Whether it's a forgotten anniversary or unfulfilled commitment, these small acts of unreliability can add up. Over time, even minor broken promises erode trust. 4. Infidelity. One of the most significant breaches of trust is infidelity. A study from the Journal of Marriage and Family found that 55% of divorces are influenced by some form of cheating. Infidelity can create deep emotional wounds, making it difficult for a relationship to recover unless both parties are willing to put in the effort to rebuild trust. 5. Dishonesty. Even small lies can lead to distrust. When partners begin to hide things from each other, it can create a web of deceit that grows over time. According to research, couples that hide financial issues or personal struggles from one another are 40% more likely to experience relationship dissatisfaction. Rebuilding trust. While it's painful to admit when trust has been broken, the good news is that trust can be rebuilt. It takes time, patience, and commitment from both partners. Let's explore the steps to heal and rebuild trust. First, acknowledge the issue. The first step to rebuilding trust is acknowledging the problem. Both partners must be honest about what led to the breakdown. Whether it was poor communication, a broken promise, or something more significant, acknowledging the issue allows for transparency and shows that both parties are serious about resolving it. Next, open and honest communication. Clear, open communication is essential to healing. According to the Gottman Institute, couples who engage in open, non-defensive communication are 70% more likely to resolve trust issues. This means talking about your fears, disappointments, and expectations in a calm, understanding way. Then, make amends. If one partner has broken trust, they need to take responsibility and offer a genuine apology. But apologies alone won't heal the relationship. The partner must also take steps to correct their behavior moving forward. For instance, if infidelity was involved, transparency, counseling, and commitment to change are crucial. Consistency is key. Rebuilding trust requires consistent, trustworthy behavior over time. This means keeping promises, showing up emotionally, and demonstrating reliability in both small and big ways. Trust can't be rebuilt overnight. It takes patience and persistent effort. Set boundaries. In the process of rebuilding trust, setting boundaries is critical. Both partners should agree on what is acceptable behavior and what isn't. For instance, if infidelity was the issue, setting clear expectations around transparency and communication about future interactions with others can help both partners feel more secure. Be patient. Rebuilding trust takes time. It's a process that may take months or even years, depending on the severity of the breach. What's important is that both partners remain patient with each other, acknowledge progress, and stay committed to their relationship goals. Lastly, seek professional help. Sometimes couples may find it challenging to rebuild trust on their own. In such cases, seeking professional counseling can be invaluable. Therapy provides a safe space for both partners to express their feelings and work through the emotional damage together. If this information is helpful, and you're looking for more ways to strengthen your relationship, hit the subscribe button now. You won't want to miss our upcoming content on building healthy love. Prevention is better than cure. Once trust has been rebuilt, it's important to maintain it. Here are ways to safeguard trust in your relationship moving forward. First, transparency. Be open about your actions, decisions, and feelings. Transparency fosters security. For example, couples who are transparent about their financial decisions report being 50% more satisfied in their relationships than those who aren't. Support each other's growth. Support your partner's growth. Whether it's a career change, new hobby, or personal development, showing trust in your partner's decisions enhances mutual respect and trust. Express appreciation. Showing gratitude and appreciation regularly can strengthen trust. Partners who frequently express gratitude are more likely to stay committed and connected long-term, according to research from UC Berkeley. And finally, regular check-ins. Establish a routine of checking in with each other. Regular emotional check-ins help partners stay connected and address any brewing issues before they become full-blown problems. Trust is the bedrock of every strong relationship. It takes years to build, seconds to break, and potentially a lifetime to rebuild. But when both partners are committed, trust can grow stronger than ever before. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has inspired you to reflect on the trust in your relationship. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Love and Life Hub. We're here to guide you on your journey to building stronger, happier, and healthier relationships. Let trust be the anchor that keeps your relationship steady, no matter the storms. Keep working at it, and your love will flourish for a lifetime.